Is he still bad?
Well, they're not as bad as they used to be, obviously, but they're still like pretty. I don't know. He
Like
has
they
calmed down
talk
a little
back
bit.
and
They're more like, kind of like Evan, you know?
oh,
How he is.
yeah.
But not like how quiet he is, but.
Pretty soon you're gonna have a brother, girl.
Don't do that.
Why?
Why is it?
I'm gonna have one for you.
No, you got your
Toothpaste. Down the house. The hose. Where's Lola? Hi, Janina. Hi, Janina. Then you over here chopping it up. That's what we're making today. From Home Chef. What is that? Salmon with brown butter, tomato relish. But we're not going to use the butter. It's like we are. Just a little bit. Shut up.
It's white too.
I don't know anything. Where did it come from?
She cute or whatever.